I feel very, very good kasi at least nakatouch na naman tayo ng lives of people and hopefully you are able to inspire them to do what's right, which is to save and also to be more conscious about personal financial wellness. Kasi lalo na sa panahon ngayon na kung ano-ano na yung nangyayari sa paligid, we really have to be prepared.
I suggest na if ever this opportunity comes to them, i-grab nila yun kasi this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Hindi lahat kasi natututunan sa school. Sometimes you learn something out of the box.
Thank you so much for this effort. God bless you, God bless the team, and do continue spreading the good news of investing and of being very, very financially capable. We look forward to the day that every Filipino is financially capable, and that would be because of the efforts of the Malayco Foundation for Education.
Informative, maganda. Although medyo short yung time kasi kinapos sa oras, marami namang na-discuss si Sir Topak, si Sir Aiko regarding sa investment, sa wealth, how to handle money.
Kudos, saludo. Wala akong masabing iba pa. I really am lost for words in describing how good Sir Topak is.
So overall, it was fun.
Filipinos will realize that mahalin natin yung ating bayan. At of course, dapat manggaling sa pagmamahal natin sa ating sarili. And we can do that by first saving and making our finances well. And as each and every one of us achieve that goal, we will be able to help each other out. We will have a better Philippines. Definitely, it's gonna be more fun in the Philippines.